Yeah, hi everyone. Um, Hi everyone. I'll try installing the RabbitMQ on Linux. Let me first update the dependencies. Okay, let me get the commands. So actually, I have noted on all the commands. Okay, that we need to execute in order. Okay, so let me first execute the dependencies first for Linux. Okay, for Linux, I think I am using Ubuntu. Okay, now let me install the actual RabbitMQ server. So here in Linux, unlike Windows, you do not have to install the Lang separately because the Ubuntu takes care of it as part of dependency. Yeah, I think it has installed. Let me check the status first. System status. Okay, it is active. Okay, but still, if you want to enable, you can enable this. Let me do enable. Okay, so you can execute this. Okay, also you can execute like start. Okay, there are other commands such as you can stop the RabbitMQ server. Okay, you can restart. Okay, so these commands are available. Okay, so I think your RabbitMQ server is now available in your Linux desktop. Okay, the same command you can use in any workspace related to Linux environment. Thank you.